Henderson showing off the handles. Reverse. Finishes over Wembanyama. Scoot Henderson. He's been the star tonight so far. Nice. Take a look at Scoot Henderson. What he's done.
The finish, though, going around the 7'4" Wembanyama to be able to finish off the glass. The body control. And the
different agencies and work out with more trainers. He's going to really develop.
Active hands from Daniels.
Henderson. Oh, he's 17. He's 17.
Scoot Henderson shot out of a cannon and with the posterization on the other end. Ferrari running the point, has his pocket picked by Henderson. Scoot to Foster, who throws it down with authority. Second round draft pick out of Memphis. Minot leads the way with 14 points. Minot bumping Henderson, and they give the continuation plus the foul.
4 minutes to go. Marcus Graves handles 15 points for him in this game. Gives it to DJ Stewart. Ball's knocked away by Henderson. Watch out. Scoot Henderson with the throwdown in transition.
They're going to work through Henderson. Scoot with the runner, gets it to go.
That's money, baby. That's money. Look for Preston to try to get him on some sort of isolation post-up.
Along with his good buddy Baron Davis, used to run their own youth clinics. 3 on the shot clock, and Henderson drops it home.
Daniels gets it over half. We're now under a minute. Getting the backdoor cut is Henderson.
That shot he took right there, and you wonder how he's only shooting 21% from 3. He can also do that and slap the backboard with both hands.
Here's Henderson. The quickness. What a pass. Out to Hardy. Launching and making the 3.
Had to put that one up.
That's the one where he should have.
Yeah.
He needed to shoot.
Scoot. Okay. Scooting to the hoop. Man.
It's a challenge, right? Like, we talked to Marcus Graves during media day just about his experience in the G League bubble and playing guys day after day after day.
Oh my goodness.
Behind Victor Wembanyama.
Look out.
Yes.
Okay.
Man. Okay. Yep.
The Ignite squad got to a slow start this season, but they've been playing well in the last few games. Henderson attacking again. Rises up and jams it home. Timeout.
Rebound, Chris Smith.
Oh, look out.
Steal by Scoot. Scoot against Garza to the hole, and the lay-in is good. Get out of here.
Big man out of Vanderbilt with the finish.
Backdoors are killing Ignite. They got to do a better job.
Oh, what a move. Scoot Henderson up and under.
Certainly understand that there's more pressure on you.
Scoot Henderson. Oh, okay. My word.
There it is. Scoot Henderson off the bench.
2-point lead for the G League Ignite. Scoot Henderson wants to get into the action. He says, no, I'll take another assist.
I would kind of clear it so they can't switch.
Got the clear out against Pacheco. Scoot Henderson. Have some.
Pacheco's trying. Look at that. He can't guard him. I mean, he's just too big and too strong.
You know why Pemberton missed that?
What?
Because it was with his right hand.
Yeah, good point. Alley-oop to Scoot Henderson.
They've all been awesome.
Corner for Ferrari. And the rebound goes to Amir Johnson. Henderson Euro stepping and reversing it in.
Plays like a grown man. Cada has the ball knocked away. Jenner comes up with it. Under 3 minutes to go. It's a 9-point game. Henderson in transition, and he jams it again.
Know where he's at. They have to key on him. Maybe show him some bodies early.
Landry Noko, the newest addition to Ignite, joined this team in early February from Cameroon.
B, nice feed.
Often blocked by Henderson.
There's really no such thing as close enough. He can't even see defenders when he raises up to shoot.
Corey, that's not fair.
It isn't. That's not fair. I like this matchup.
Scoot Henderson, one-on-one. Yeah! Right back at him.
Guard getting the job done, and Scoot, anything you can do, I can do.
You were saying earlier about when I agree with you, what?
I'm always right, but then you missed the second part of that. Even when I'm wrong, I'm right, because I still think it's a charge. Oh! Charge it to the basket.
Okay.
Scoot Henderson.
To the face.
Scoot right here. They don't stop the ball in transition. You don't stop either. Go right to the basket. This young man's explosive, electric.
Announcers jinx. I dodged the bullet right there.
You were good. It was in all the way.
All the way.
On the take, Henderson.
Oh my goodness, Scoot Henderson.
Are you kidding? Scoot Henderson is Ron Hunt's three is off the mark. That was sensational.
Hence the number 2 projected NBA draft in the 2023 draft.
A couple years ago, we had some exciting things we want to do this year. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. It's showtime! Scoot Henderson. Learn the name.
There you go.
And Sharif doing both.
Be creative, yeah, here we go again.
Okay, break this play now.
Let's just be active, get out in the open court, and show what you got with a little emotion.
And when you,
wow,
and many people won't understand.
He has in his bag right now. Scoot Henderson with his 3rd assist on that play. I loved his awareness to dump down to Mecca. And then he finishes in transition. He fell hard.
My goodness, he went up high for that alley-oop. You look at Johnny Juse, talk about, Janathon Williams. There are rookies on the other side of the floor.
Scoot Henderson with the takeaway, 2-on-2. Go! Oh, baby! Scoot Henderson with the dunk and the stare down. Hart made it halftime. They've been impressive. Henderson driving baseline up and under. Hello!
He's got something for him.
And that's 12 assists now on 19 made field goals. The Ignite playing with just a better pace. And look out, here comes the highlight.
Showtime! And here's the steal. Ignite with a chance. Henderson at the hole. Yes! Scoot Henderson to the rescue.
Oh my goodness.
Scoot Henderson ties the game with .4 on the clock.
It looked like on the inbounds there was some confusion on who was going to get.
Shot that 3. He's a versatile player out of France. Mika with the rebound. Scoot Henderson looking to run. He'll challenge. He'll get all the way to the basket and flush it.
Henderson was out of the lineup, and these two teams met in Showcase Cup competition here earlier this season. Step back is good there by Scoot.
Henderson, pull-up jumper, short. King again, offensive rebound. Back to Scoot. Oh, baby! Up and under, Scoot Henderson.
And again, King with the offensive rebound. I mean, what a great job he does with all the little things, and that's why he's out.
Henderson near the logo. 6 seconds to go. Henderson turns the corner, got it to go, and the foul. What a play by Scoot Henderson.
Well, we knew exactly what was going to happen, and guess what? Guy can just flat out ball. I mean, he just breaks you down and he changes speeds, explosive.
Against Miller. Miller, good D.
Really good D without fouling.
Scoot didn't have numbers, pulled it out to Miller, and he throws it down with 2 hands.
Had an unbelievable week. Last week was nominated for G League Player of the Week. Averaged 24 at 14 for the week. And there is Scoot Henderson showing you his elevation.
Scoot Henderson just 4 points so far. Here he goes into the rim with the right hand.
And that's where you start to see the youth kind of come out a little bit.
Edwards got a lane. Oh, he was rejected at the cup. There's some of that defense.
Oh, give me that. Scoot Henderson with the monster block.
Up both defensively and offensively.
Under 5 to go. Here comes Scoot Henderson all alone. It's showtime!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See you.
He is here because of Scoot Henderson, because of Ignite. The teams who come and play, they know that too. So they're trying to give Ignite their best shot. Nice scoop shot underneath.
And more importantly about the intangibles, you see he anticipates.
Right here, just get into something quick. And if it's not there, I like to see that ball move to the other side. Oh, that's good.
Oh, a rim attack by Scoot Henderson.
Then was way short on a mid-range. And now he's knocked down 2 threes.
6 for him. Whoa! Scooty! There it is.
Off the bench the past couple of games against the legends from Texas. Henderson, nice look inside, through a crowd. Mika scores plus a foul.
And around the rim is a 7', 6'11" guy. The squad would have nobody on the team. The tallest guy on the team is about 6'8".
And Williams misses a free throw, so you know you're struggling.
Skyhawks 6 of 10 as a team from the line, shooting 60%. They've left some points at the free throw line for sure. Henderson,
he's heating up, and now they're going to put a little pressure on Scoot, and you see his quickness and playmaking ability. Are you serious? I mean, he's just getting to the rack whenever he feels like it right now.
It's a tough finish. Nice
Henderson, pocket pass, and one. Eric Meek. Henderson goes into the body of Anderson. That's just too much strength from Scoot Henderson.